Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. Today I have my Ipsy Unbagging. I decided not to wait for my Sephora because I got this like the day after they charged me for my Sephora play, and I don't know when that will be coming, so I wanted to get into this and see what I got this month. This month the theme is Go There, which is, you can see from the bag, which I think is so cute. I really enjoy this bag with all of the little like stamps on it. The first thing in this bag I see is from SL Miss Glam, and it is a sponge. And I've heard good things about this. This must be a mini version though, because this seems pretty small for a beauty blender. Let's see if I can get it out of the sack. But it seems really soft, like it's really squishy. So I'm excited to see how it looks when it is full size, when it like puffs up even more. Then the next thing in here, oh, I have a sample of this already that I have not opened up yet. This is the Tarte Smooth Operator Amazonian Clay Finishing Powder. And I like that it has a little hole here so that you can plug it if you're traveling and moving with it, which this is a great size to take when you go on a trip. The next thing in here is from Tony Moly. It is a Sebum Control Black Color Clay, and this is painting. It looks like a little tube of paint, so that's nice. I can always use oil control masks because that is very much me. Wow, this is next. This is from NYX. This is the Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Cairo. I'm not gonna open this because this is going to look awful. I could probably use this as like a concealer because of that shade. So I'm going to leave that and put that into a giveaway or pass it on to someone who has better coloring for that particular shade. The last thing in here is, it looks like from Sugar, and it's an Arch Arrival Brow Definer and Taupe Tom. So I don't do brow stuff, so this will be going in a giveaway as well. I'm kind of disappointed this month. The mask I am excited about trying because masks I can always use. That's a great thing. This is not a good shade whatsoever. It's not something I would ever wear. The brow, I never wear brows. Like, I don't do brows. I'm pretty sure I had it that I never want brows on my thing, and I always say boo, give them awful ratings. This I need to try because I have another one of the same size, and this seems pretty nice. Like, I'm excited to actually try this because it's really squishy. Like, it kind of reminds me of a Peep too. So that is my May Ipsy. I think it's pretty good, but could it be better? Definitely. All right, very short video because there's nothing to compare it with. I don't know when I'm getting my other boxes. I am planning to be gone for a couple days, so I don't want to wait to film and then have to edit and everything else. So I hope you are all having a fantastic day. Let me know what you got in your Ipsy. I really like to know what other people get and whether they like their things or not. Also, if you haven't subscribed, if you wouldn't mind taking a minute to subscribe, it would mean so very much to me. I hope you are all having a fantastic day. I can't wait to talk to you next time. Bye.